Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. To show you how to remove and replace the headlight, or if you just need to replace the headlight bulbs on a Dodge Stratus or Chrysler Sebring. That's the second generation from 2000 all the way to 2006 sedan. So what you need to do right here, there is one bolt with a 7mm socket or a wrench that you need to remove. The bulb is right here, but it's really hard to get to and it's not very convenient to replace it like that. And the removal of the headlight is very simple. You'll see in a minute. All you have to do is just take this bolt off right there and this one right here in the corner. Only two bolts and the whole headlight will come out of there. Okay, stay with us to see how we're going to do that. Okay, right there, this is the long bolt right here and the one in the corner is short. And after we remove the bolts, you come on the outside and pull. There is one clip there and you need to pull up and then it comes out of there. Okay, now that's where the headlight bulb is. You turn to the right, to the left actually, counterclockwise, and this is the turn signal light bulb right here. Okay, those are the bulbs and that's the headlight right here. If you need to replace the headlight bulb, all you got to do is just unhook the wire and never touch the new bulb with your fingers, because the oil from your fingers will make the light bulb go bad in a short period of time. And this is the turn signal light bulb. Again, this one you just pull it out, you just grab the thing like that and pull it out. That's it. And put it back together the same way we took it apart. Okay, and this headlight is the same procedure as well, the one on the right side. Two bolts again, and you just pull it out of there and put it back together the same way we took it apart. Thank you guys for watching us. If you have any questions, let us know. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.